With so much change on the healthcare horizon, keeping medical professionals educated and informed has never been more critical. The specialists at Better at Home Mederi Caretenders were signature sponsors of a healthcare symposium to educate case managers, nurses, and social workers on some of the upcoming changes, as well as raise funds for an important cause: residents in need.
Well, the Case Manager Symposium event that's taking place today is a labor of love that's been taking place for about the last 4 years. And it was originally designed as a way for case managers and vendors to interact. Case managers are a vital role in the hospital in helping make the transition from when a patient is going to leave the hospital and have any sort of post-acute care. They sort of help decide if a patient needs to go to a skilled nursing facility, if they're going to transition home with home health. It is a very vital role with the hospital, but kind of the unsung hero as well. So this whole event that we've put on here is to kind of recognize those case managers and make sure that they feel uplifted and feel the support of the community that they serve. We feel for Almost Family and Better at Home and Mederi Caretenders to be involved in an event that services case managers, that recognizes them. It's important for us to make sure that we're giving back to them, because a lot of what we do, we depend on their support of our company. So it only makes sense for us to go back and support something that is all about those guys.
The purpose of the event today is to educate case managers around Central Florida, honor the unsung heroes of the hospital for the hard work that they do. We've given awards to Case Managers of the Year that were nominated by their peers in the hospital. But the real heart of this event is we raise money to help families that have a memory or movement disorder that can't afford respite care. So they need extra care in the home. So we raised, I think, $114,000 this year.
The funds that are raised at the Case Manager Symposium go into an endowment fund that's named after a gentleman, White Max Searley, and those funds are set up so that case managers or people in the community can apply for a scholarship to help a family that's taking care of someone that has a memory or movement disorder. So all of the funds that we raise at this event go into that, and anyone in the community can apply for a small scholarship, maybe to do something around the house like build a ramp, buy some special equipment, and do something that will take care of a family member, especially those suffering with a memory or movement disorder.
We wouldn't be able to do it without the support of all the vendors that are here today. I mean, they actually stepped up to the plate this year. I mean, every year the sponsors have found so much value in this for their company that they doubled what they gave us last year. And so Almost Family came up first and said, we're coming in at the top level.
To find out more about the services offered by Better at Home and Mederi Caretenders, part of the Almost Family network of care providers, click the Healthcare Symposium icon link on our homepage, yourhometownhealth.com.